How to promote Clickbank products on TikTok without showing your face. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can promote your own affiliate marketing products onto TikTok in a way that doesn't really show your face. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on TikTok, and as you can see, this is the main application over here. Now, how do you basically promote different products onto TikTok and without even showing your face? Like, how do you think that's possible? It's pretty simple. Let me just show you. So if I come over here onto the search bar and I search for different accounts, I'm going to show you a couple of examples how it's basically done. So over here, once you've searched for dogs, these are all the accounts that's going to show up. So if we click on this account, let me just open a bunch of these up, in tabs. Let me just show you. Well, it's not promoting his own affiliate link, he's promoting his channel, but this is the exact same thing, right? They put your link inside your bio over here while creating an audience, and then they will click on that link and you can go move over to the next page. Let's go over to the next page. Okay, this one doesn't have any affiliate links. All right, this one has it. And as you can see over here, we have a bunch of different videos of dogs, and they don't even have to be your own dogs. It can be anything related to that, dogs. So as you can see over here, this cute little dog is trying to, do a CPR on this human, and this one is swimming, and like cute videos. And then you can add like your own affiliate link in the description over here. It's pretty simple, not that hard. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The other ones don't have the link. Now, what if you search for, like, let's say cats? All right, same thing, cats and dogs. Now, if I search for different accounts over here, let me just open these up in new tabs. All right, so as you can see, this one over here, this account has his own affiliate link over here. Same with this one. This one is promoting her YouTube channel. Same with this one over here. This is their own website link over here, or their own affiliate program that they're trying to promote. So over here, whenever someone clicks on this link, it'll take them over to their website, and boom, there you go. Same with this one over here. This one also has an affiliate link over here. And oh my god, this video is pretty cool. Black cats. Always love black cats. Getting sidetracked over here. So over here, as you can see, the link is over here in the description. Same with others as well, like this one as well. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's really like not that hard. Create an account, create a following, and then upload your affiliate link over here. Now, I told you that you're going to be creating some videos that you don't show your face in it, right? How do you do that? Well, it's pretty simple. It all depends on the product that you're trying to sell, right? And it can be anything. It can be about fitness as well. It can be about dogs. It can be about books. It can be about carpenting, anything. So for example, let's say fitness. So if we search for fitness accounts, right, bunch of different fitness accounts over here. Same thing I'm going to show you. Like over here, this person has his own Instagram link over here. So over here, as you can see, this person has her own affiliate link as well. This person has his own affiliate link is over here, and this one, no, this one doesn't have it. And this one has his own product over here on Amazon. So he's promoting his own Amazon products over here. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. It all depends on your product that you're trying to sell. It all depends on you. Let me just close these tabs up a little bit. Now, I told you that you were going to create a video without even showing your face. Pretty simple. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here onto this website called pexels.com, and over here this video, and over here this website has lots and lots of free stock footages that we can choose from, and we can easily create a pretty simple video. So if your product is related to like health and fitness, and then you can just simply go ahead and search for, let's say, fitness over here, fitness and health. It all depends on you. Maybe like fitness and health. Let's go with fitness and health, right? Then you have all these bunch of different videos, right? But we don't want these in this format. We want them in a different format. So we'll go into filters and click on orientation, and we'll click on vertical. And then we have all these different videos that we can choose from. We can go ahead and download them. We can create a video out of them. If you don't like Pexels, what you can do is another video called Pixabay over here. Pixabay is also a pretty amazing website. It also has tons and tons of stock footages and videos, and even music as well. So if we search for workout over here, and we want videos, so we'll just simply click on videos, and then we'll have all of these videos over here. And we also want and we'll have all these different videos. Now we could even change illustrations as well. So we even have illustrations if you wanted to do that. We even have for orientation. We'll go with vertical, go into videos. We can go into animated videos as well. We have slow motion videos. So it all depends on you, right? Pretty simple, really cool. Just simply download any videos you want and we can move on. So let's just assume that this is the video that we want, it's a pretty decent video, yoga video. What about this one? Yoga pose. We got planks over here, very hard exercise. We can even have this one over here with the diet. We can add like this one over here, eat healthy and live healthy. We can add like some of that type of captions on it, and we can put like a very decent, very nice soothing background music, and then we can upload the video. Pretty simple, right? So this is the type of videos that we want there. And as you know, these are all stock footages. You don't have to worry about copyright strikes or anything like that. Like maybe we could download this video over here, or maybe we could just search for, let's say, running, and we could find a video of someone jogging, exercising, and we could be like running a day, running this much a day will has this many benefits and stuff like that. Like, it's pretty simple and really cool, right? Let's go ahead and try to find a video that would look cool, like maybe this one. Let's actually go with this one. Let's download this video. We'll just simply click on download, and boom, here we go. And now what we're going to do is we're going to edit that video over here onto this website called canva.com. Over here on this website called canva.com. Canva.com is a pretty amazing website where you can create a lot of different things. You can create presentations, social media, a lot of different posts, presentations, social media posts, videos, marketing, office, and many, many more. You got a lot of options. Just simply come over onto this website and just simply create a video. So I also downloaded a bunch of other videos as well. Let me show you. Come over here. I have this video as well. Over here, this person is doing her yoga pose, and we could even add like benefits and top benefits of doing a yoga, something like that. It's pretty cool. But since we downloaded this video, we'll stick with this one. So over here, let me just skip this real quick, and now we can go over here onto video. And over here, we'll go into TikTok videos as well. They also have an option for that. As you can see, TikTok videos. We'll click over here. We have our canvas over here. We just simply upload the video that we want. We click on upload. We take this video and drag it over here, and we upload the video. Boom, there we go. Now what we need to do is we need like, a decent music, a decent background music as well. And I think I have that. Let me see over here. There we go. I have this pretty nice little music in the background. I'm gonna go ahead and add that, and so that you guys can listen to it at the end when the video is complete. So let me just upload the music as well, and now we just wait for these images and these elements to upload. All right, they're now uploaded. We'll just simply drag and drop the video over here, and let me just extend it all the way over here. Make it a little bit larger. Here we go, all the way over here. Boom, there we go. Now it looks nice. Now we just simply add the audio at the background over here. We just simply drag and drop the audio. And now that that's done, we just simply add in the text over here. Maybe like search for benefits of running, we have these ones over here. We'll just go ahead and click on this link, and we'll copy these benefits. All right, we'll copy that and go back over here, copy that, paste that over there, pretty simple. Then we just copy a bunch of this, and copy this one and post. That's it. Then we just select all of that, and we just change the fonts to something bit bolder, something bigger as well. Or maybe we can go with something else like this one. No, that's a little bit too much. Maybe like this font. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Then we just simply increase it over here. Let me just go ahead and do that. And over here, I'll put this down right here. Boom, there you go. Then we just simply download the image, download the video, and boom, once it's downloaded, we can go ahead and upload it onto TikTok, and boom, there we go. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you promote affiliate marketing, products on TikTok, and without even showing your face. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.